Hey everybody, welcome to the channel. We're back out here in the carving tent, getting ready to carve another first. Today we're going to be working on carving up a 1978 Ford F-150 Highboy. All right, this is my rough sketch, right? Whew, looks just like it, don't it? Yeah, right. I wanted to do a long bed, but I don't have a piece of wood ready at the moment to do it in like the long bed form, so it's just going to be a short bed. And yeah, hopefully this comes out as well as the last video carving up the lowered C10. With the Highboy, it's lifted, so that means we have to remove material under the truck all the way through. This is going to be tricky. This will be a fun challenge. Thanks, you guys are requesting all kinds of fun stuff, so I'm just going to go for it. And hopefully you guys will stick around. Give this video a thumbs up, leave me a comment, let me know what you guys think of the finished piece, and don't forget to hit subscribe. Let's start making some sawdust. Hey guys, don't forget to give me a thumbs up and hit subscribe if you guys are liking the video so far. Leave me a comment at the end. Let me know what you guys think. Let me know, what you guys want to see next. Thanks. So guys, there it is, 1978 Ford F-150 Highboy as requested. Cleared out underneath. Alright, airbrushed, hand painted. Not too bad. I know there's still some details missing, but it's pretty good. Pretty good, pretty good. We're working on those details the more we do. Let me know what you guys think. Be sure to give me a thumbs up, hit subscribe, check out some other videos popping up. I'll see you guys next time. Thanks.